Okay, check this out. This is how you crack an egg with one hand. Okay, due to popular demand, I am going to crack this egg with one hand. So let's come down here first. Egg, flat surface. There you go. Also, I just started buying these eggs. Look how gorgeous these yolks are. They're like super orange. Okay, so this concludes the intro to today's vlog. Okay, so we're already off to a strong start, making a f***ing mess trying to get a picture of cracking an egg. This right here is the setup I've been working with, these two cameras. This one right here though I just got, really love it, the A7S3, really dope lens. So this is what I'm gonna be vlogging on today. So switch in 3, 2, 1. There you go, as you can tell, much better quality. It's a really big mess, but check her out. That's her normal spot. My latte art definitely needs work, but I just got this. Super stoked about this right here. This is the Breville Oracle Touch in matte black. I freaking love this machine. I thought I would show you guys like how I go through these videos and like how I plan them out. Sometimes I plan them out. So I'm gonna like just head to the grocery store and show you guys like how I shop for these things. Here's some garlic chips too that I made the other day. Let's see if she wants to smell some garlic chips. They smell good? Not too salty, huh? Okay, just set this right here. Don't have a tripod. I never really use my camera in the car. Let's see, I'm gonna make some dinner, so I'm gonna head over to the Wajimaya. It's the like fancy Asian grocery store here in Seattle and Bellevue. It's basically like the Whole Foods of Asian stores, if you can imagine. This one? You usually want to cut these things in half because there could be dirt and stuff in there. And just give them a good old rinse. That's how it is with leeks usually. Save this stuff for stock. Long beans. Maitakes. King oyster. Green garlic chives. There we go. This is my saute set right here. So I usually keep all my scraps in a little bag like this or container and just toss this in the fridge. And it's just in there until I'm ready to make some stock. Really handy. So that's something I would recommend. Just toss all your scraps in something. Keep them in the fridge. Don't waste it. Don't throw it away. This is really good flavor here. So this is why I think the word air frying is very stupid, because I mean, you're not frying it, you're baking it. There's no such thing as air frying. Like right now, so to a lot of people, this would be considered air frying. I'm just cooking these ribs at a high temp on a rack. It's roasting. I have an actual air fryer right there. It's just a little oven that has high convection. You put it on a rack, it has high convection, high heat, that's it. That's all you're doing. So yeah, there's no such thing as air frying. It's just baking in a high heat with high convection. So I guess if you want to call these air fried ribs, sure, whatever. This is the best way to peel your lemons, by the way. I mean zest your lemons. You get all the zest if you do it like this. You guys ever eat short ribs? This is the best part, I think, this bone. Here at Hello M Coffee, this really cool coffee spot that was just open in Seattle by my friend Yenvi. If you're in town, come check this out. Really good stuff. This is the Cafe Trung. I might be saying it wrong, but it has this really nice egg cloud on top. This is my favorite. So good.
Do you want to try mine? It's really fucking good.